Welcome to this course in MagiCAD for Revit. This is a continuation from the initial course where we made a project from an architectural model made in Revit. In this course we will first start to have some repetition from the last course we had. We start with the ventilation systems. In this course we will focus on ventilation and start with that. Further courses will also take care of sanitary systems like piping and heating and other mechanical projects. In this course we will start with the ventilation system, look at system names, see how the system browser works in MagiCAD. We will install ventilation components in the model and see how they connect with the ventilation, all the ducts and all that. We will see different ways to install products in the model by using MagiCAD Connect, for instance. And we will also see how we add that to the MagiCAD project file and the dataset file. We will also look at different reports we can take out from the model, and at least but not at last we will see how engineering of ducts and ventilation system is doing. We do that in MagiCAD a correct way, so we have all the numbering system and all that in place. Further we will look at texting, how we use the IFC format in MagiCAD. We will look at the space function, how we use the room and all that and use that as input to calculations regarding energy and all that. We will also come into schematic drawings and how to work together in a model. We might look at that as well. Yeah. So I hope you will enjoy this course. We also might, maybe this course, but I may do that in another course when we have modeled more piping and so on. We can do some how to do collision control both in MagiCAD, in Navisworks and in Solibri. So that was all. Next session we will start with modeling and then we open I have attached the project file. If you haven't done the last course we had, I have attached the model file. That the name will be project 1 Udemy. My file only is named project 1. So I will open that and use that as a model here. You see we find it here, and that is already linked the architectural model into it. I have now the camera on. I will take off the camera afterwards, otherwise it will just be in the way for what we see in this drawing here. So open the drawing and we are ready for section 2 in the course.